Welcome back, friends. Many a times we go to shopping, go to a mall or go to a store to buy something, and we do not really like what we really intended to buy, but we end up buying something else. I remember a time when I wanted some shirts very badly. By the way, I still do. So I went to this nice store, and I thought I'll find a nice shirt, with a matching tie, but couldn't find anything great. Instead, ended up buying some trousers instead of the shirt. So intention was something else, and couldn't find it in the type, the variety I wanted. So bought something else. Friends, Archaeological Institute of India, they go to dig many surfaces. They go beneath the ground trying to find something of the past, some statues, some relics, some memories of a past era, civilization, etc. But then they end up finding something else. Some nice treasures, gold, silver, whatever, right? And fascinates everybody that what they intended to find was something different and they found was something different. In Padmanabha Swami temple, there are still some walls which are yet to be opened. There's so much of treasure and great credit to the past era, how the kings of the past, how they had stored all this for the future. They have found a lot of gold and silver and all that, but there is a few walls, I believe, still to be open, and who knows what they may be thinking something is there and something else may come out. Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput's very sad case of demise, CBI and crime branch, all reverence to them, to the hard work they put, have had really tremendous amount of hard work that they're trying to put, but what they finally seem to be unearthing is something of a different world altogether, right? Different from what was imagined. That's not what was their intention when they started. Not intention, they were thinking of something else, but they ended up finding a very colorful world which was much beyond what they really imagined in the first place. SGX Nifty looks to be a little bit, not little bit, strongly positive, 70, 60, whatever, moving. I think post 9:30 markets will not be as positive as this is indicating, but yet, if you were to ask me which will be the firm rally, then as per my analysis and your giving me the consent, may I kindly submit? Only my entire work, friends, is entirely based on your good wishes. I tell that to everybody, but if you enable me, then I will make the suggestion that probably a period between 1 and 2:30 would see a strong rally in the Nifty and the Sensex. This period should be a steady, strong period, 1 and 2:30 p.m. today, which is 28th of September 2020. It is Monday, and this period could see a fierce rise, sharp rise in the Sensex and the Nifty. So this is my submission, and people have time and again asked me about these credit for these predictions. Is whatever I do, whatever I present, whatever is there in my knowledge is not Sunil Kevalramani's knowledge. The owner of all my knowledge is all my subscribers, the Art of Investing family. You are the owners, I am not the owner. Happy investing. Take care. Bye.